So friends, now let us move to the second one, that is section formula. Now this formula will enable us to determine the ratio in which a particular point on the segment divides. Now let us say point P divides the segment AB in some ratio M1 and M2, or we can say M1 is to M2. P is having coordinates as x and y, A is having coordinates as x1, y1, and B is having coordinates as x2, y2. And this point P divides this segment AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. Then according to section formula, x is equal to, means x coordinate of point P is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2, and y is equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. So these formulas we can use for finding the coordinates of the point P when the ratio is given. Now let us solve one example and you will come to know what exactly this section formula or how this section formula is useful. Now here the example is there. This point -4, 6 divides the line segment joining the points A -6, 10 and 3, -8. Now let us denote this point -4, 6 as P. So I will draw here. A is having the coordinates as -6, 10 and B is having the coordinate as 3, -8 and P is having the coordinates as -4, 6. Now we need to find the ratio M1 is to M2. Now here I will write the section formula. So x is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2, which is equal to, now here I will label this as x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So M1 means we don't know the value of M1. So I will start from here. X is -4. Coordinate of point P is given. So M1 into x2 means 3 plus M2, we don't know the value of M2, and x1 means -6 upon M1 plus M2. Now -4 is equal to 3M1 minus 6M2 upon M1 plus M2. Now by cross multiplication we get 4 into M1 plus M2 is equal to 3M1 minus 6M2. Minus 4M1 minus 4M2 is equal to 3M1 minus 6M2. So minus 4M1 minus 3M1 is equal to minus 6M2 plus 4M2. So minus 7M1 is equal to minus 2M2. Means M1 upon M2 is equal to minus 2 upon minus 7. That is M1 upon M2 is equal to 2 by 7. Therefore M1 is to M2 is equal to 2 is to 7. So in this way we can find the ratio M1 is to M2 by using the section formula. Now sometimes in the example a ratio is given and we need to find the coordinates of the point. Now here in the earlier example, the point was given dividing the line segment and we need to find the ratio. Now the example is like this: find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining point A comma minus 7 and B in bracket 4 comma minus 3, and the ratio is given as 2:3. Okay, so this is the segment AB. A is having the coordinates as minus 1, 7 and B is having coordinates as 4 comma minus 3, and this point P is there which is having coordinate as x and y. This we are assuming, and this point is dividing the segment AB in the ratio 2:3. Therefore, by section formula we can write x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. So m1 means 2 into, let us denote as x1 y1 and x2 y2, 2 into 4 m1 x2 plus 3 into minus 1 upon 2 plus 3, 8 minus 3 upon 5, so 5 upon, so this is 5 upon 5 means 1. Now similarly we can find y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Y is equal to, what is the value of m1? 2 into y2 means minus 3 plus m2 means 3 and y1 is 7 divided by 2 plus 3. So minus 6 plus 21 upon 5, which is equal to 15 upon 5 is equal to 3. So coordinate of point P, x and y is P in bracket x comma y is equal to P in bracket 1 comma 3. So like this we can find out the coordinates of the point dividing the line segment by using section formula. So friends, in this particular video we have covered the coordinate geometry, in which we studied, first one is distance formula and second one is section formula. And what is distance formula? Distance PQ means P and Q are the points. We can write the distance formula as x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And second one is section formula. If m1 is to m2 is the ratio in which the line segment AB is getting divided, then P is the point having coordinates x and y, then x coordinate we can write as, here is the ratio m1 m2 and these are the coordinates x1 y1 and x2 y2. So coordinate, x coordinate of point P is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now this is the section formula. Now one more topic is there, that is area of triangle, but for this year CBSE has deleted this particular portion from your syllabus. Now this section formula further we can extend to find the midpoint formula or midpoint of segment. Now we know that this section formula is used to find the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment AB in the ratio m1:m2. Now if I say this point P as equidistant from A and B, means ratio is 1:1, then the section formula will be like this. So how will you write the coordinates of x? This is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So write the coordinates of point P as x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Now m1 means it is 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 upon 1 plus 1. So x1 plus x2 upon 2. This implies that x is having the value as x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Y is equal to 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 upon 1 plus 1. So y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now this is the formula for finding the coordinate y. So P will be having, now this is called as midpoint formula. So what is midpoint formula? X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So this is how we conclude the chapter as coordinate geometry. We will meet again in our next chapter, that is quadratic equation.